you've got the entire defense basket, which is on an absolute tear in today's trading session. In fact, the likes of HAL, BEL, BEML, they're all very upbeat in today's trade. And that's largely on the back of the news that came in last evening that the CCS, that's the Cabinet Committee on Security, in a meeting chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, approved the procurement of the largest indigenous defense procurement deal. This is worth close to 48,000 crore rupees. Now, essentially, the procurement of 73 LCA Tejas Mk1 fighter aircraft and 10 LCA Tejas Mk1 trainer aircraft. It was at the cost of about 45,696 crores. That procurement, along with the design and development of infrastructure sanctions worth close to 1,202 crores, that was approved by the cabinet under Prime Minister Modi. In fact, the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh went ahead and tweeted that this is going to be a game changer for self-reliance in the Indian defence manufacturing sector, essentially the approval and this deal. So this is the largest indigenous defence procurement deal. It's going to help strengthen the IAF's fleet of homegrown fighter jet LCA Tejas. And essentially also the light combat variant has been indigenously designed, developed and manufactured. State-of-the-art modern 4+ generation higher aircraft. It's equipped with critical operational capabilities as well, and this has active electronically scanned array radar, beyond visual range, a missile electronic warfare suite, etc. This is also essentially a deal that's the first buy, which essentially means the Indian indigenously designed, developed and manufactured category procurement of combat aircraft, which means the indigenous content is about 50%, and that's going to progressively increase to 60% by the end of the program. This has essentially been designed by the Aircraft Development Agency under the DRDO, and it's been manufactured by HAL or Hindustan Aeronautics, which is why that stock is on an absolute tear. It's going to be the backbone of the Indian Air Force as they are looking at the Atmanirbhar push and the self-reliance by reducing imports. The cabinet also approved the infrastructure development by IAF under the project to enable them to handle the repairs as well as servicing at the base port. So essentially the turnaround time will be reduced for mission critical systems, and it will lead to increased availability of aircraft for operational exploitation. This is going to enable the IAF to sustain the fleet more efficiently, more effectively, as there will be availability of the infrastructure, of the repair infrastructure at their respective bases. And HAL has already set up the second line manufacturing facilities in Nasik and Bengaluru. So a huge decision that is definitely going to impact and expand the current LCA ecosystem, create new job opportunities and help the Atmanirbhar Bharat push.